Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin's 2021 returns destroy everything so far on Wall Street. The second news, what I would like to talk about, that officially PayPal announced that they're buying crypto security firm Curv. And the third news I would like to talk about is that NFT-related altcoins hit new highs after Bitcoin price rallies to 53K. Now we see Bitcoin going up and some altcoins also getting nuts. So all this in today's video. And don't forget to educate yourself, and you can do it with our videos here on YouTube, because I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, you're getting the freshest, the crispiest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. The only thing you have to do really to like this video if you like this content, because that helps the content to spread even to more people, because YouTube will show it to even more people. This would be actually great. It's a free stuff, it's a valuable stuff. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel, then hit subscribe, bell button, and then all, and then you're getting a notification whenever a video is out. And as I said, every weekday I'm putting a new video here on YouTube. And also don't forget that we have a free course. The link is right under this video, and it's all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Lot of useful information, safety steps, what you must do before you invest in crypto, and other courses and other useful links right under the video. Check it out. And now it's time to move on to the market. Let's see how that looks like. So Bitcoin, we can see going up very nicely, 9% in the last 24 hours, just like Ethereum, also 9% up. Therefore, Bitcoin is at 54,205, Ethereum 1,838 US dollar. So after the last 2 weeks, we finally see some upward movements, which this is great. And therefore, when we're looking at the whole market, we can see nice gains. Chile is going up more than 100% in the last 24 hours. Terra 30%, Near Protocol 28%, Quant 26%. And look at these numbers. Again, very, very nice days here in the crypto industry. And when we're looking at the losers, no losers, Wager token 4%. And after that, stable coins. So again, an amazing day in crypto. And now let's move on to the first news, which is all about that actually Bitcoin is outperforming all financial assets on Wall Street this year. We can see tremendous gains in crypto, and of course, the leading cryptocurrency, in market cap, this is Bitcoin. And when we're looking at Bitcoin right now, we can see that actually it's outperforming other assets, everything basically on Wall Street. And here's this article on CoinDesk, and the title, as it says, Bitcoin's 2021 returns destroy everything on Wall Street, Goldman Sachs says. And look, here we can see that as of March 4th, Bitcoin's year-to-date return at about 70% was roughly double that for the next closest competitor, which is the energy sector, about 35, according to Goldman Sachs' latest US weekly Kickstart report. The comparisons could become even more flattering to Bitcoin now that the recent bout of selling in US stock has taken the Standard & Poor's 500 index year to return to roughly zero, so flat on the year. The recovery in oil prices, real yields, has boosted year-to-date returns for cyclical sectors such as energy and financials, which are nevertheless underperforming Bitcoin. So even they're doing great, it all happened here, but still not as good as Bitcoin. Crude oil and energy have higher risk adjusted return, Sharpe ratio Then Bitcoin so far this year, this is also crazy. Bitcoin is supposed to be, you know, a risky asset, no question. And now actually crude oil and energy has a higher risk-adjusted return. And another one, that gold is the worst performing asset class year to date. And I would like to emphasize that we're talking a year to date, so basically what happened in the last 3 months. So of course this channel is all about cryptocurrency, but please guys take a note that actually gold and some other investments are also could be great investments. It's not financial wise what you hear here. I just want to point out the fact what we're having right now, you know, until the 9th of March, what the day we have today, and how Bitcoin is performing. Look at this chart here. So when you, let's zoom in, when you can see here, this is the market performance year to date, absolute and risk adjusted return. And you can see total return, Bitcoin 67%, energy 35%, crude oil, you know, 32, financials 12, and so on and so forth. And you know, at the bottom, and here you can see S&P 500 1%, so almost zero. And you have seen here gold, it's actually -10 so far. And then here you can see the risk adjusted return. This is the Sharpe ratio, and you know, crude oil, as you can see, 2.7, energy 2.4, and then Bitcoin is coming with 1.5. So actually Bitcoin is not even on the top, and it's so far the hottest asset. And I think this is key, and it's actually worth to talk about it, because you know, this is the main reason why we can see big investors coming into the market, seeing it, because yes, these guys are on Wall Street, you know, the institutional investors, no question of that. And yes, they do have their own investments, and majorly they are in stocks and you know, in gold and companies and so on and so forth. But many of them realize that, wow, Bitcoin is doing extremely well this year, and this bull run, this bull market is not even over. So it's worth to think about to put some part of the portfolio in it, not all in, nothing like this, but be part of it. And again, not financial advice, but this is how these guys thinking right now, and more firms, more and more companies invest in crypto. Okay, now let's move on to the second news, which is all about that PayPal is actually admitted that they're buying Curv. You know, a couple of videos ago, I talked about PayPal and the news that actually they might thinking about buying the crypto security firm Curv. And now PayPal made it official. So as you can see here in this CoinDesk article, PayPal confirms it's buying crypto security firm Curv. And you know, PayPal said Monday it has agreed to acquire Israel-based Curv, provider of cloud-based infrastructure for digital asset security, which means PayPal is getting actually more and more serious about crypto. We did have this news, you know, back in autumn last year that, you know, PayPal joined this industry, and actually it pushed up Bitcoin price back then quite nicely. And we can see that actually they invest more and more and more. Here you can see PayPal said it expects the acquisition deal to be completed in the first half of this year. So the deal is not completed yet, but PayPal admitted that yes, they are going to buy this firm. And Curv is partnered with some notable crypto firms focused on Europe, such as eToro and Falcon X, suggesting PayPal is serious about spreading its crypto footprint outside the US, as well as offering a broader range of services, which means they're getting even bigger and bigger in crypto. And as they have more than 300 million 40 something users accounts, this can get to more people and can help make crypto even more mainstream. So great news, no question of that. And now let's move on to the next news, which is all about that the NFT altcoins are reaching new all-time highs, as we can see Bitcoin gaining again. Recently, we could see rather sideways movements in Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the weekend, Ethereum has moved a little bit up. Bitcoin was still doing like sideways movements, but of course, now we can see that Bitcoin is started to go up, reaching 54,000, for example, even today. And here in this article, you can see that NFT-related altcoins hit new highs after Bitcoin price rallies to 53K. And here you can see that recent analysis shows that while professional traders remain hesitant to open new Bitcoin long positions due to the strengthening dollar index and rising treasury yield, large corporations are buying BTC at an accelerated rate, leading to heavy outflows from exchanges. Now that Bitcoin price has secured a daily close above 52,000 level, it's possible that these reluctant traders will open new long positions. So now things looking again good. Look at this chart. So actually it's going up and up and up, but now here you can see a bullish move, and you can see this support line here. So let's see how it will cross it and how it will actually stay above it. This would be very important. On-chain data from Glassnode also points to the bullish case for Bitcoins, as miners have stopped selling Bitcoin for the most part and now appear to be in accumulation mode. So now they again holding, collecting, not selling. That makes it also definitely bullish. And now on the, sideways, other altcoins coming up. And here we can see in the NFT sector that altcoins also move significantly higher, as many top projects reached new all-time high on Monday, so basically yesterday. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs projects like Ultra, it went up. Look, check this out. Yeah, you can see here. This is like 7th of March. 5th, 6th, whatever. So from here, look at to here. Wow, nice move. And then the article also points out Theta. I have brought this to you as well. Let's move to 14 days. And we can see here. So also nice upward move, new all-time high. And then we have Engine also. Engine is, killing it. It's really doing extremely well. Look at this, was here 22nd of February. When we talked about Engine 0.5, and then look, we have Engine since the beginning of what beginning? Well, almost mid-end of February, and now we have it again, new all-time high. Almost now is 5% down, but here was at 1.9 US dollar. So again, crazy gains. And I have talked about NFTs before here on this channel, that NFTs could be one of the big things here in 2021, one of the new trends which could go up very nicely. And this is what we can see here right now as well. And also recent developments for Ethereum helped to stoke on 8% rally in Ether as the community prepares to roll out the Berlin upgrade on the 14th of April. So, always when you're waiting for an upgrade, it's always beforehand, the price is going up and then maybe going sideways or coming down. Look what happened to Cardano recently when they looked for this event on the 1st of March. The mainnet, the Mary mainnet to be launched. And before it was a nice gains and then sideways a little bit down. And then, of course, it starts a new rally. So many things are happening in Cardano, but now, you know, we have this Berlin upgrade on the 14th of April. So probably Ethereum, because of that, can prepare for nice gains, and that could be great. So yes, so far so good. Again, looking bullish. Don't forget that if something happens in the stock market, definitely the crypto market is related to the stock market. If there is this big problem, it's a sharp fall or something like that, it will affect the industry, crypto industry as well. On the other hand, if this $1.9 trillion stimulus check has finally arrives and money flows into the market, it definitely can help the crypto industry and other industries as well. So we will see how it will work out. Definitely the stock market crash, and the crash is sooner or later coming. It's no doubt. It cannot go forever, but right now things looking bullish. We always have to, you know, recalculate day by day as we move further. But right now, this is what we can see. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Definitely like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and then so you're always getting these videos as soon as they're out. I put the freshest blockchain and cryptocurrency news here on Blockchain Bloom every weekday from Monday to Friday. So I wish you an amazing day. And of course, tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. Have a good one. Bye-bye.